Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download from AWS Systems Manager to manage EC2 safely. Start by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 dashboard. Locate and select the EC2 instance you want to manage. Ensure that your instance is running. On the left sidebar, find and select Systems Manager. In the Systems Manager dashboard, click on the Session Manager option. To use Session Manager, verify that your instance has the necessary IAM role attached. Make sure that the instance has the correct permissions to use Systems Manager. If required, modify the instance's IAM role to include the Amazon SSM Managed Instance Core policy. Go back to the Session Manager. Click on the Start Session button. Select the instance you want to connect to. Then click on the Start Session button again. You will now be connected to the instance through the browser. Once connected, you can execute commands directly from the terminal. To download files, you can use the AWS S3 command to copy files from S3 to your instance. Alternatively, use SCP to transfer files from your instance to a local machine securely. Ensure that you have the right security group settings for your EC2 instance. Within the session, navigate to the directory where you want to download files. Type the command to download the required file. Press Enter to execute the command. Verify that the download is complete by listing the files in the directory. To end your session, type Exit and press Enter. This closes the connection to your EC2 instance. You have now successfully downloaded files from AWS Systems Manager to manage your EC2 instance safely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.